everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful cottagecore aesthetic interior decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Cottagecore aesthetic interior decor is all about creating a warm, nostalgic, nature-inspired home that feels cozy and lived in, like a storybook countryside cottage. Easy ways to start. Budget friendly. Add plants or giant flowers. Use thrifted vintage items. Replace bright lighting with warm bulbs. Add floral textiles. Use oven baskets for storage. Display books and ceramics. Cottagecore interior decor is more than just a style, it is a lifestyle. Inspired design trend centered around simplicity, comfort, nature, and solo living. Each romanticizes countryside life, like baking bread, gardening, reading by the window, handmade crafts, and beautiful routines. In interiors, that feels is translated into a warm, cozy home. Where cottagecore comes from. The style became popular online in the late 2010s, but its roots are older. Like traditional English cottages, farmhouses, vintage rural homes, or handmade craftsmanship, and romantic literature and pastoral art. It reflects our desire to slow down and create a calm escape from modern fast-paced life. What makes a home feel cottagecore? It feels lived in, not perfect. Unlike ultra-modern minimalism, cottagecore welcomes open shelves with everyday items, stacked books, mixed patterns, handmade or thrifted objects, slight imperfection. The goal is comfort, not showroom perfection. Nature is everywhere. Nature is a huge part of the look. Use indoor plants, fresh or dried flowers, natural wood furniture, stone, wicker, linen, and cotton. Sunlight and fresh air. Even small touches like leaf prints or floral fabrics help. Next, nostalgia and storybook charm. Cottagecore often feels timeless and dreamy. Use vintage teacups, old clocks, lace curtains, candles, antique mirrors, floral wallpaper. It can feel like stepping into another era. How cottagecore differs from other styles. Cottagecore was minimalist. Minimalist equal clean lines, fewer items, and modern simplicity. Cottagecore equal layered, decorative, cozy, and nostalgic. Cottagecore was boho. Boho equal bold colors, elite global influences. Cottagecore equal softer colors, countryside charm, and floral softness. Cottagecore was rustic farmhouse. Farmhouse equal more practical and rugged. Cottagecore equal more romantic, delicate, and whimsical. Best rooms for cottagecore. Bedroom. Use soft bedding, layered blankets, warm lamp light, books and flowers. Kitchen. Use open shelves, ceramic dishes, jars, wooden tools, and herb plants. Next, living room. Use vintage furniture, oven baskets, candles, and cozy throws. Study corner. Use wood desk, lamp, journals, framed botanical prints. Is cottagecore expensive? Not necessarily. It can be one of the most budget-friendly styles because you can use thrifted furniture, DIY decor, second-hand books, vintage markets, handmade textiles, and used jars and baskets. Why people love it? Many people like cottagecore because it feels calm, safe, warm, romantic, creative, and connected to nature. It can make even a city apartment feel peaceful. Common mistakes to avoid: overcrowding every surface. Too many fake vintage items, ignoring functionality, make it too dark. Using only floral prints without balance. Cottagecore interior decor is about creating a home that feels gentle, cozy, natural, and full of charm. Cottagecore interior decor can be understood deeply through its physiology, history, design principles, and practical lifestyle connection. It is not just cute vintage decor, it represents a reaction against fast, stressful modern life. The meaning behind cottagecore and its core: cottagecore celebrates solar daily routines, appreciation of simple pleasures, handmade beauty, connection with nature, comfort over status, warmth over sleekness. People are often drawn to it because modern life can feel rushed, digital, noisy, and impersonal. Cottagecore offers the opposite: softness, calm, and intimacy. Historical inspiration: although the charm is modern, the look comes from older influences. English country cottages, small homes with floral gardens, fireplaces, wooden furniture, and patchwork fabrics. Rural European homes, functional but charming interiors, built with natural materials. Farmhouse tradition, open kitchen, preserved foods, handmade linens, and practical furniture. Victorian and Edwardian touches, wallpaper, decorative ceramics, lace, and framed art. Folk craft traditions, knitting, embroidery, weaving, pottery, and woodworking. Core design principles: warmth over perfection. Modern luxury often values clean perfection. Cottagecore values homes that feel human, slightly mismatched chairs, own wood tables, handmade blankets, books left open, real daily life visible. Softness everywhere. Hard lines are reduced. Softness comes from curved furniture, chopped fabrics, cushions, rounded lamps, gentle lighting. Next, layering. Instead of empty rooms, cottagecore layers textiles, plants, art, books, ceramics, and personal objects. Natural materials: prefer wood, cotton, linen, wool, wicker, clay, and stone. Emotional atmosphere: a successful cottagecore room should feel peaceful in the morning sunlight, cozy during rain, inviting at night with warm lamps, personal and comforting, creative and restful. This emotional effect matters more than buying expensive items. Room by room details. First bedroom: gold, safe, dreamy ritual. Use soft bedding, floral or plain cotton sheets. Wooden bedside table, books, warm lamp. Contains moving in praise. Next, living room: gold, gather, relax, and read. Use comfortable sofa or chair, throw blankets, wooden shelves, plants, tea tray, and candles. Next, kitchen: gold, nourishing, and homely. Use visible jars, wooden utensils, herb plants, ceramic bowls, textured towels. Bathrooms, often forgotten, but can include oven baskets, soft towels, small plants, vintage mirrors, and glass jars. Why it can be affordable? Because cottagecore values character over brand names. Use thrifted items, family heirlooms, DIY shelf, glass jars, handmade pillow covers, or repaint old furniture. Old furniture often work better than new glossy furniture. Why it became popular online? It grew because many people wanted escape from stress, urban loneliness, constant screens, fast changes, and harsh minimalism. Images of baking bread, gardens, cozy rooms, books, and candlelight became emotionally appealing. Common misunderstanding: cottagecore is not clutter. Too many random items ruins it. Real cottagecore uses thoughtful layering, soft organization, functional beauty, and personal meaning. Advanced styling tip: the secret formula is 60% simple neutral base, 30% natural textures, and 10% charming details. That keeps it elegant in a state of messy. Cottagecore interior decor is the art of making a home feel gentle, nostalgic, natural, and deeply comforting. Cottagecore is a mood before it is a style. Many design styles focus on appearance. Cottagecore focuses on experience. Ask: does the room feel peaceful? Does it invite trust? Does it feel personal? Does it feel warm and natural? Does it slow you down? If yes, then it is working. A plain wooden chair by a sunny window can feel more cottagecore than an expensive themed room. Architectural features that match cottagecore. If a room has any of these, they naturally support the look: windows, large windows, window slit, natural sunlight, and sheer curtains. Walls: white plaster walls, wood paneling, wallpaper with tiny florals, soft painted walls. Next, floors: use wooden flooring, oven rugs, stone or tile with warmth. Structural character: beams, arches, nooks, built-in shelves. All the details. Even if your home lacks this, decor can recreate the feeling. The five senses of cottagecore design. First, sight: soft colors, flowers, books, warm light, and wood grain. Second, touch: use linen bedding, cotton cushions, knitted throws, and smooth ceramics. Third, smell: use fresh laundry, tea, herbs, candles, flowers, and wood. Fourth, sound: rain near a window, soft music, pages turning, kettle boiling. Fifth, taste: tea, homemade snacks, fruit, and warm bread. This is why cottagecore feels immersive. It uses all senses. Cottagecore by time of day. Morning cottagecore: open curtains, sunlight, tea, and fresh bedding. Afternoon cottagecore: plants glowing in light, reading corner, and open windows. Evening cottagecore: warm lamps, candles, blankets, and soft shadows. Rainy day cottagecore: books, tea, cozy blankets, and ambient sound. The style changes beautifully through the day. Furniture logic: cottagecore furniture should feel inherited, collected, or handmade, not much product. Best examples: wooden side tables, window dressers, bookshelves, wicker chairs, iron bed frames, and farm tables. Avoid too much glossy plastic or ultra sharp artistic furniture. Lifestyle habits that complete the look. Without lifestyle, it can feel fake. Try keeping fresh flowers or leaves, reading physical books, journaling, baking, or tea rituals. Caring of plants, using beautiful everyday dishes, opening windows often. Low budget dip strategy. Instead of buying themed decor, focus on these upgrades. Better warm lighting, cotton or linen textiles, plants, wooden storage, vintage chipped pieces, wall art, or framed botanicals. This creates more impact than expensive decoration. Why some cottagecore rooms fail? Because they become too cluttered, too dark, or too fake vintage, or too decorative with no comfort, or too many patterns fighting each other. Balance is everything. Designer secret. The strongest cottagecore rooms usually contain something old, something natural, something soft, something personal, something warm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.